Let us solve the question number 3 of exercise number 13.1. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hall. Now in this question it is given that the perimeter of a rectangular hall is 250 meter. Cost per meter square is rupees 10 and the total cost is rupees 15,000. This thing is given in the question. We have to paint the area of four walls. So area of four walls into cost per meter square, cost of painting per meter square, painting per meter square is equals to total cost. Now area of four wall is, as we know the formula, 2L plus B into H into cost of painting per meter square is rupees 10 is equals to total cost of painting is rupees 15,000, and here 2L plus B is the perimeter of a rectangular hall. 2L plus B, you have studied in the lower class, the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus B. So it is perimeter is given 250 meter into height into 10 is equals to 15,000. So H is equals to 15,000 divided by 250 into 10. We'll cancel the zeros, 2 zeros, and 25 6. So H is equals to 6 meter. So the height of the hall is 6 meter. Solve the question number 4 of exercise 13.1. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimension 22.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? Now in this question it is given that we have the paint which is sufficient to paint the area equals to 9.375 meters square, and we have to paint the brick. The shape of the brick, as you know, is cuboid, so we have to find the total surface area of the cuboid, that is the total surface area of the brick. So area to be painted is total surface area of brick, total surface area of brick, and that is equals to, the formula is 2LB plus BH plus HL. 2L is 22.5 into 10, this is the breadth, then 10 into 7.5 and 7.5 into 22.5. So we'll calculate this. 22.5 into 10 is 225, 10 into 7.5 is 75, 7.5 into 22.5 is 168.75. Now let us solve it further. When we'll add this, we'll get 468.75, and when we multiply it by 2, we'll get the answer 937.5 centimeter square. Now we have to find the number of bricks. So number of bricks that can be painted will be equals to, that is 9.375 meters square, 9.375 meters square, because in the question it is given that the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equals to 9.375 meters square divided by area of total surface area of one brick, total surface area of one brick, and that we have already calculated, and that is how much? 937.5 centimeters square. So it is 9.375 meters square divided by, that is 937.5 centimeters square. Now this is in meter square and this is in centimeter square, so we have to convert into the same unit. So that will make it 9.375 into 100 into 100 centimeters square. Now why I have done 100 into 100? Because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and this is meter square, so I have written 100 into 100 centimeters square upon 937.5 centimeter square. Now we have to solve this, and after solving this we will be getting equals to 100 bricks. So the total number of bricks is 100.